Hi peeps and welcome back to CRACH. As you can see, I got a whole delivery over here. A lot of different items for the new upgrade for my channel. Yes, I did order a lot of stuff to upgrade my setup for the streaming, for the YouTube videos. So I'm super excited to show it to you. So I would say let's open these boxes. So, damn, it didn't work. Okay, let me try it again. There we go. Woo! Okay, that's already a lot smaller. So what do we actually have today? We got... Let me take those items over here. Yes, we got the game capture from Elgato. So the Cam Link 4K. So this is gonna be the thing that is going to connect our computer towards my new camera. Yes, we are going to swap out our webcam, the Logitech C920. Amazing little thing, but I really wanted to swap out and upgrade to something else. And the Sony is something that I will be able to take on the road, also to use and record in other rooms. So yeah, let's use it. So I'm gonna use the Magic, and I'm just gonna put the box on top of my screen and see if it works. Yeah. So does it work? Okay, I'm gonna click. Bam! There we go. Okay, so that's how easy it is to set up your new camera. So you know, I'm joking. So yes, peeps, this is the new screen of my new camera. I'm really happy with it. It looks quite cool. I'm really excited about this, guys. So yeah, what else do we have? Yeah, we got an SD card. I got a second lens, so I also got a bigger lens for when I go on the road. And I got this cute little bag that they gave with it. So let me see. I'm not a big camera expert. I know what works. I know what doesn't work for me. And yeah, this is what I got. So I also got like a bigger lens, as you can see, from Sony, that I will use for when I go outside and I have to record from further away. What else do we have? Yes, the second battery, of course. The only thing that still needs to arrive is like my dummy battery. That's like a battery that is gonna fool the camera, that the camera is gonna be able to keep streaming without losing any energy. So I still need that item. Apart from that, I got everything, and I will be starting my streams with this new camera. And of course, every single YouTube video will also be with this new camera. So let me know, do you like the difference? Do you like the... Yeah, let me know, what do you think? The only problem is that now you're even able to see me better. That might be a disadvantage for some of you guys. First thing that I see is that you can actually count my gray hair now. So I might swap back to my other camera. Yeah, I would say the C920, nothing wrong with it. You're actually even gonna be able to reach this quality with the C920. The only thing why I had to swap is because I also need a camera for when I go outside and I'm not able to take my computer with me and I'm not able to use the webcam. So yeah, I hope you're excited. I'm really excited myself. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of my new camera. What do you think of the new look? What do you think of my background now that you can actually see it? So yeah, I'm gonna keep it right here for today, and I wish you all a great day. And do not forget, I'm Crash and I'm out. Bye bye. Whoop.
So this is the end of the video. It's a freaking miracle that you were able to watch this until the end. But you know what? If you are already in pain, why not watch more of CRACH videos to continue the suffering? And if you really hate yourself, you could even subscribe to get notified when he uploads more videos. Well, this was the outro. I'm out. Are you still here? Why? Click on my tie to subscribe. Okay, I'm really gonna go now.